The journey of a premium delicacy begins in the serene beauty of the marshlands, where nature's finest lotus blossoms thrive under the gentle morning sun. Every single lotus pod is a treasure trove of nutrients, carefully nurtured by the earth and water before being harvested for its precious white seeds. Farmers expertly navigate the waters, gathering the harvest by hand to ensure only the highest quality pods make it to the next stage of production. Upon arrival at the industrial facility, the raw harvest undergoes a dramatic transformation, merging traditional farming with the power of modern, high-tech engineering systems. These humble pods, still covered in the mud of the swamp, are about to undergo a rigorous cleaning process to reveal their hidden, pure white interior. The industrial revolution of the lotus begins here, as thousands of pods are funneled into the processing line with incredible speed and mechanical precision. State-of-the-art automation takes over the heavy lifting, ensuring a constant flow of raw materials into the system while maintaining the integrity of every pod. A powerful initial wash removes any traces of the marshland, preparing the seeds for a journey through a world-class hygiene and purification environment. The cleaning phase is relentless and thorough, utilizing specialized equipment designed to reach every crevice of the lotus pod for maximum food safety standards. Advanced ozone infusion technology is utilized to deep clean the produce, ensuring that the seeds are completely sterilized and free from any unwanted environmental contaminants. This constant movement in the water ensures that every single pod is treated equally, meeting the strict international requirements for high-end food production facilities. The transformation is visible as the vibrant green pods emerge, sparkling clean, ready to be sorted and graded by the factory's intelligent automated sorting systems. Human expertise works in harmony with machines, as skilled inspectors check each batch to ensure that only the most perfect pods continue the journey. Precision grading is essential for industrial efficiency, allowing the machines downstream to be calibrated perfectly for the specific size of each lotus pod processed. The largest and most mature pods are selected for the premium snack line, promising the biggest and crunchiest seeds for the most discerning global consumers. Every part of the harvest is utilized, with smaller seeds being sent to specialized lines to become flour or nutritious additions to various health beverages. Speed and efficiency are the hallmarks of this facility, where thousands of kilograms of raw materials are processed every hour with uncompromising quality control. Real-time data monitoring allows engineers to track the entire production flow, ensuring that every step of the cleaning process is optimized for peak performance. With the cleaning complete, the pods are now perfectly prepared for the most complex mechanical challenge: the delicate extraction of the individual lotus seeds. Precision engineering meets natural delicacy as ultra-sharp blades are calibrated to cut just deep enough to open the husk without damaging the seeds inside. The mechanical shelling process is a marvel of physics, using calculated pressure to release the seeds while maintaining the structural integrity of every single kernel. In a fraction of a second, the seeds are liberated from their protective pods, falling into a streamlined collection system that prevents any bruising or damage. The sound of industrial progress echoes through the hall as a steady rain of seeds fills the trays, moving toward the advanced skin removal process. Even the waste materials are handled with precision, as empty husks are compressed and sent to be repurposed as organic fertilizer for the next crop. This automated shelling system has increased production capacity by 50 times compared to traditional methods, revolutionizing the local agricultural economy through high-tech innovation. Next, the tough outer skin must be removed. Specialized friction rollers gently rub the seeds, stripping away the dark layer to reveal the snowy white core. A powerful stream of air instantly separates the lightweight skins from the dense seeds, leaving behind only the pure, cleaned kernels ready for further refinement. The seeds are then gently polished to ensure a smooth surface, creating a visually appealing product that meets the high aesthetic standards of premium snack markets. The sheer scale of the operation is breathtaking, turning a labor-intensive traditional task into a seamless, high-speed industrial process that guarantees total consistency. Every movement is designed to be touch-free and hygienic, using vacuum technology to move the seeds safely through the facility without any human contact. One of the most delicate steps begins now. Micro needles are deployed to remove the bitter green heart from the center of each individual lotus seed. The accuracy is astounding, removing the bitterness while keeping the seed completely whole, a feat that requires incredible mechanical precision and high-speed timing. The green hearts are not wasted. They are collected separately to be used in traditional herbal teas, ensuring that every part of the plant is utilized. Smart sensors scan the interior of the seeds, rejecting any that still contain bitterness, ensuring a sweet and mild flavor profile for every single snack. The seeds then enter the optical sorting chamber, where advanced laser technology analyzes the color and shape of every seed at lightning-fast speeds. Computers analyze thousands of seeds per second, identifying the slightest discoloration or imperfection that the human eye might miss in the high-speed flow. High-pressure air valves act with pinpoint accuracy, blasting away any flawed seeds while allowing the perfect ones to continue their journey toward the drying stage. This data-driven approach guarantees that only the top 1% of the harvest makes it into the final premium packaging for global distribution. Quality control remains a priority, with regular manual checks performed to verify that the machines are maintaining the highest possible standards of excellence. Under the microscope, the purity is undeniable. The seed is clean, whole, and perfectly prepared to be transformed into a crunchy, nutritious snack. With the sorting complete, the seeds are now ready for the most advanced stage of the process, the state-of-the-art freeze-drying technology. The seeds are spread evenly onto specialized trays, ensuring that each one receives the same level of treatment during the critical freeze-drying cycle. The racks are loaded into the massive vacuum chambers, where the moisture will be removed through the most advanced food preservation method available today. Once the chamber is sealed, a powerful vacuum is created, setting the stage for the sublimation process that will preserve the seeds for years. Sophisticated software manages the complex balance of temperature and pressure, carefully extracting water without damaging the delicate structure of the lotus seeds. The process begins by rapidly freezing the seeds to sub-zero temperatures, locking in the nutrients in the natural shape of the fresh lotus kernels. Through sublimation, the ice turns directly into vapor, bypassing the liquid phase to ensure the seeds remain light and crispy without ever shrinking. This technology is what sets premium snacks apart, removing moisture so effectively that the product becomes incredibly shelf-stable while remaining completely natural and healthy. At these extreme temperatures, the cellular structure of the seed is preserved perfectly, maintaining the original color and vitamin content of the fresh harvest. Unlike traditional heat drying, freeze drying keeps the seeds looking exactly like they did when they were fresh, but with a satisfyingly light and airy crunch. The result is a nutritional powerhouse, retaining nearly all the vitamins and minerals of the raw seed, making it a truly superior snack option. As the cycle completes, the pressure is equalized and the door opens to reveal the perfectly dried seeds, ready for their final flavoring and inspection.